Right, so this is the unboxing of the Philips Sonicare 9700 DiamondClean Smart toothbrush. And it comes in a little fancy box, which I would expect because of the amount of money that you pay for this thing. On the box and the cover, you've got at the back a picture of what you're supposed to get inside it. So let's just start to see what's inside the box. So again, it's a very well made box, and on the front of it you've got the features listed there. Smart sensor providing pressurized feedback to help you improve technique, and you've got different pictures of what it's capable of doing. On there you get the leaflet, which basically explains that you need to download the app. You get a free 6 months warranty extension on there as well, and you can choose a brush head to start brushing. And number 4 is always know when to replace your brush. So this is a welcome, let's get started. Right, in there, first of all, you've got the toothbrush. Let's have a look here. It's very nice, it's very smart. I'm not going to touch anything, not going to press anything yet. Well, it actually lights up. I haven't even pressed anything yet, and it comes on. So you've got different options there to clean, white plus, gum health, deep clean, tongue care, and the battery's flashing. I believe you have to charge this for a while. So I'm going to leave that there for a second, get rid of this. In there you've got this little thing here. Let's see what this is. I have no idea what these things are. And in the packaging there you've got, I'm assuming this is where you keep your brushes and everything else. And it comes on with that as well. That way around. It looks impressive. I'm sure we'll figure out what it is. So basically you're, I'm taking you through this and I don't even know what's in the box. Right, so I'm going to put this aside on there. Let's see what's in there. Alright, these are the actual toothbrushes. I'm going to open them to see what's inside, really. So we've got all these little bits and pieces. I'm assuming it's going to go in there somewhere. Yeah, there you go. So each one of them just fits quite neatly there. And because the logo's that way round, I'm assuming it goes on top like that. So you get 4 different brushes. On the brushes, it actually tells you what they are. So it's a C3 brush. This is a G3 brush. And this one is a T1 brush, which I'm assuming this is for the tongue as well. And that one is a W3 brush as well. So you got all these 4 brushes there. I'm just going to put this cover on here and put this aside because we've seen what that is. So let's see what else we get. Again, this is an expensive piece of kit, so I expect to get the niceties there. Right, this is, I believe, the charging unit. So it comes in a little cup there. That you put your toothbrush inside to charge it, and this is the base that it sits on like that. And this is based on the pictures. So we'll have a look. Obviously, it comes with a 2-prong because this is what the bathrooms are for. So yeah, this gets plugged in. This sits on here, and whenever you put your toothbrush there, I'm assuming it charges. On the glass there, it's got the Sonicare logo as well. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you've got the Sonicare logo there as well. So you're going to put the toothbrush there and just leave it in the corner while we're going through the rest of the box. Philips Sonicare Breath RX. It's a tongue spray. Alcohol-free, sugar-free, clear mint, and it's got instructions of what you're supposed to do with it. Helps fight odor-causing bacteria. So it's a Philips branded one. I'm sure you can get replacement ones for it later on. Right, it's got a takeaway box, so if ever you're traveling, this travel box would come in handy. I think mine's probably going to spend most of its time in the box because I'm barely here at home. Or anywhere else for more than 5 minutes. At the bottom there, let's see what we've got. It peels off there, and in there you've got the USB charger there. My goodness, so you can just basically charge it with the USB. That's a very good touch, so you don't have to worry about carrying your glass little charger with you. So I don't know how this works really. I'm assuming it's just a case of plugging that in, and the charger just does its magic. As easy as that. So we'll put that back together again later. Little box in the corner there. Do you know what? I'll take it out and get rid of it. So in there you've got the reveal the benefits of registering your Sonicare. I'm assuming this is the extra 6 months warranty that it's talking about. And you've got a picture of different brushes, different everything else. It's just one of those leaflets. Register for your Philips Sonicare today. Just takes a minute. Exclusive offers, tips to take most of your Sonicare experience, and the model number where it's located there. This is the warranty thing, we don't care. And you've got the manual there as well. So again, this is the one that I've got, it says on the box, is the Sonicare 9700 DiamondClean Smart. Now, the part number for this, this is the ones that it's, the HX part number, let's see how, have a look here. So this is the Sonic Toothbrush HX9954/53. There's different versions of the 99, and 99 is the top of the range that they actually, I believe, that Philips do. I think there's 3 flavors to this. The one that I've got here is it's basically dark navy blue. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera here or not, but basically this is the dark blue version as well. And I think it's it looks much better than the black one. I don't know how easy it is to keep clean or not, but we'll find out soon. If you've got any questions, just put it on the message at the bottom. Please subscribe. I'll be doing a raffle at some stage when my subscribers hit a good few numbers. So subscribe and take it from there. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.